All right, guys, here we are. Another bathroom remodel. We remodeled their master right over there. Large 2-foot by 4-foot tiles, blue veins all connecting. This is what their master looks like. So we're doing the same thing here, 2-foot by 4-foot, removing this tub. Our client already deleted the majority of this shower surround, a very thick float. So we're going to remove this as well as the tub. Vanity's gone, floor is gone as well. So we're going to get right to it, do some demo, go shopping for our shower kit, all of our materials for this build. Let's get to work. All right, here we are, picking up materials that we need for our build. First stop, Floor and Decor. Pick up a Schluter, shelf E, and a few items. Then head over to Home Depot, pick up a new tub, plumbing, all of our building materials. Shoot on over to Dow Tile, get our shower kit, our thin set, our trim edging, and everything else. So, let's go. All right, we have our tub. All right, at Dow Tile, we have a Curdy board. They give us a really large discount here at Dow Tile. Good guys. I think you buy those sheets over 100 bucks at Floor and Decor. You get them for about $60. So we're gonna get our all set as well. All right, let's get our board all set. Screws, washers line up. Alrighty. Prefabricated Schluter niche, 28-inch niche. We're going to cut this down to a 24-inch niche to accept our tile layout. We already have the niche framed out here. Will be installed in the bay after we install our bathtub. So let's open this up, cut it down to size to a 24, and install it in our framing. Here we go. And there you go. Moving right along, demo's complete, valves in. Our very short tub with the grip down there is installed, so it's an easy step over for our client. We're going to mimic the location of this niche, which is the master shower next door, which we remodeled. So super simple. Nail this to the existing framing and install our prefabricated niche that we cut down the middle, remove 4 inches, or our 24-inch niche. Again, to mimic this 24-inch niche on the shower over there. So we're going to screw it to the framing and of course band this seam to waterproof it. We're now going to install all of our board, left wall, middle wall, right wall, and waterproof this surround. Here we go, day 2. Everything is installed from the tub to the valve, all of our backer board. Frame the niche out, 24-inch niche. Today is going to be a very simple day. Waterproof all the seams, penetrations, run our silicone over here, install drywall, tape, and mud. And if we have any time, we will start the floor tile, which is hex porcelain for this bathroom floor. But we'll just see how far we get with the waterproofing, how far we get with the drywall. A lot of work to do. Let's go. Floor tile is installed. We covered it to protect it. Everything is ready for tile for this shower. Waterproofed 100% via Schluter. All right, guys, day 3. Shower wall tile begins. Very large, 2 foot by 4 foot, hard, 1/2 inch thick porcelain. Carrera look. So we got a lot accomplished in a quick 2 days. Floor tile is installed. We've covered it to protect it. We installed our drywall. Of course, we have to tape and mud. We're going to texture spray this entire bathroom, but the shower is ready to go, ready to rock and roll. Installing this large 4 foot tiles. We're gonna do it at a straight pattern, horizontally, with the tiles ending at the bottom of the niche. It's gonna look clean, beautiful, trimming it out with Schluter Jolly Matte White. So we got a lot of work. We're gonna set up the D36000. We have our Sigma Series 4 tile cutter for this large, thick, hard porcelain. So let's get to work. Here we go. All right, so we're working with these very large, heavy, 1/2 inch porcelain tiles. Our arm for the Sigma is definitely not strong enough to hold it up. That's why we love this Atlas by Monolith. Adjustable to support the tile. Just like that.